Today, we are learning how to grow potatoes from tubers and seed. Here's what you need to know. Potatoes like full sun and a cool growing season with temperatures between 45 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Potatoes can be grown from seed or from sprouted tubers. Plant your sprouted tubers outdoors 2 weeks after last frost. Cut your sprouted tubers in half and plant them about 6 inches deep with the cut side facing down and the eye facing up. Cover them with soil and water in well. Start your potato seeds indoors 6 weeks before the last frost. Sow your potato seeds 1/4 of an inch deep in plug trays or 2-inch pots with moist, nutrient-free soil. Potato seeds should germinate in 10 to 14 days. At this point, liquid fertilizer can be added. Transplant your potato seedlings outdoors when they are 2 inches tall, about 3 weeks before the last frost. Space your potato seedlings 12 inches apart and plant them deep enough that only the top inch of leaves is showing. Water your potatoes weekly in the morning when the topsoil is dry. Hill your potato plants when the vines are 6 to 8 inches long by covering them with soil until only the top leaves are showing. This forces the plant to grow more tubers. Harvest your potatoes 70 to 120 days after transplant when vines have died, or cut the vines at the ground 10 days before digging up the tubers. Store your potatoes in a cool, dark place around 40 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity. Collect potato seeds from the berries of mature, flowered plants. Gently smash the berries and soak them in water for a few days. The good seeds will sink to the bottom. Remove them, rinse well, and allow them to dry completely. Do not eat the berries of potato plants. They are toxic. Potato scraps can be composted, though if the pieces are too large, they may sprout and grow in your compost. There you have it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.